Raise your hand if you have ever looked at chicken feet and thought, hmm, that's just crabs. That's weird. Who even eats that? But what if I told you those crabs are actually one of the most powerful nutrient-packed superfoods on the planet? Oh yeah, talking of joint health, glowing skin, stronger bones, better sleep, or even a happier gut, all these things come from chicken feet. Yes, something most people throw away. Now let me tell you something. Let me tell you why chicken feet deserves a spot on your menu or plate. Chicken feet are basically nature's joint supplements, and these are loaded with collagen, glucosamine, and chondroitin. Those big fancy words you see on expensive pill bottles. Yeah, this is where they all come from naturally. And here's the deal. Your joints are cushioned by cartilage, and as you get older, or if you move a lot, work out, or just live life, the cartilage wears down, with aging. And that's when you feel stiffness, aches, or that creaky sound like eating chicken feet or drinking the broth made from them feeds your body the exact building blocks it needs to repair that cartilage, reduce inflammation, and make our joints move smooth again. People with arthritis or sore knees swear by this, and it is cheap, natural, and works way better than you think, giving the joint a soft, protective joint cushion every single time you eat it. Talking of beauty, guess what? These are one of the richest natural sources of collagen on the earth, way more than chicken breast or regular meat. Collagen is what keeps your skin elastic, firm, and wrinkle-free. As you get past 25, your body's own collagen production drops like a rock. Hello, fine lines and dry skin, here I come. But when you eat chicken feet, that collagen turns into gelatin when cooked, which your body absorbs super easily. It plumps your skin, hydrates it from the inside out, and even strengthens your hair and nails so they grow longer and stronger. This is just but a few benefits of chicken feet. Enough of the lectures. Let me leave you to enjoy the rest of the video. Thank you so much for watching. If you learned something new, give this video a like, share it with friends, and subscribe for more. See you in the next one. Bye.